This is a quick and easy fix, so let's get started. First, make sure Steam is fully closed. Go to the bottom right corner of your taskbar, click the arrow to show hidden icons, find Steam, right-click on it, and select Exit. Now open the Start menu, type Steam, right-click on it, and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes when prompted. Once Steam opens, click Steam in the top left corner and select Settings. From the left side, click on Downloads. Scroll down and click Clear Download Cache, then Confirm. Steam will automatically sign you out. Log back into your Steam account. Your Steam cache is now cleared, and the issue should be fixed. That's it.
Rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place. I wanna be first, work till it hurts. Dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft, you can change lives, you